Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video.
Yeah. On the team at Malutoya, the first doctor in the world to operate on a fetus outside of the womb and then return the fetus back to the mother's womb to thrive.
The womb is such a sacred place that we get to go into to go perform surgery. It's a place that most people don't get to go. Do we really need another fetal center in Columbus? And I ask myself that question, but if you actually think about what we have that's unique here, we have fabulous clinical establishment with a top 10 children's hospital. We have an amazing research institute, but even more importantly, the Ohio Fetal Medicine Collaborative. Not only can we provide what others are already providing, but we can actually do things better. We can provide services and care that currently does not exist. Taking advantage of the advances we have within the Center for Genomic Medicine, the Center for Gene Therapy, Center for Regenerative Medicine, we can translate a lot of that into the fetus, so we can start the care for those children well before they're born. The womb is actually the best intensive care unit for a fetus. It's one place where you can operate on the fetus and you don't need to put them on the ventilator or on any IV fluids, because the womb and the placenta provides all that care for them. It's a nurturing environment where they can continue to grow and thrive. Well, I'm privileged to have been part of this field for over 20 years now. The chief of fetal medicine came from Argentina. He's been doing this for over 15 years. What will make us leaders in this field is by doing what others are not doing or what others dream of doing.
The probability, the actual evidence in history shows the exact opposite. If you look at how minorities are treated by the medical system, most doctors now are white, and there are lots of mistakes in medicine. So you're saying that white doctors have bad medical care? I'm trying to understand your logic here when it comes to DEI, because there's no actual evidence of what you're saying. No, I said, so if the standards, like let's say, I think that particular thing was referring to surgeons. Let's say a surgeon is asked to, a surgeon in training is asked to do a series of operations under the supervision of a senior surgeon, and they get a bunch of those operations wrong. If that happens, and yet they are still approved to be a surgeon, the probability that someone will die, I think, at some point is high.
Okay, I understand that, but that's a hypothetical. That doesn't mean it's happening.
I didn't say it's happening.
You didn't say it was happening.
I said it will. I said if we lower standards, people will die.
But why respond to something or put something out there that has not happened? Because I could say,
I don't want it to happen. I think we don't want to lower standards.
Okay, if you look at the history of the medical industry, especially when it comes to Black Americans, it shows the exact opposite. If you look at Tuskegee, the actual evidence.
Yeah, so as a people, we know who is the real enemy in America. It's a man from Africa. A white man from South Africa, apartheid South Africa, Elon Musk. So all of you who have black people who have Telsa and anything that I knew from a long time that this man was racist. That's why before I make any purchase, I always do my research. Okay, you don't put money in your enemy's pocket. Not because they advertise you. They control the media, the propaganda machine. Even the ugly truck that him have, the cyber truck, garbage. You understand? But hey, look, everything that he's doing, he's going to fail. And he's going to fail miserably. Donald Trump is not the president, as we know. But we can tell you that it's just good over evil. Evil never win. Might look like them winning, but eventually it will collapse. Elon Musk and his minions of evil men are just going to wither away, just like the wind. We have no sympathy or love for our enemies. You hate us, we should reciprocate it. Period. We not turn the other cheek. One life we have, you only can kill but once. We not stop fight. We know that we should not be here. Because your ancestors have tried everything to destroy us. But we are still here. Yeah, so you have listened to that's one of our greatest fetal surgeon. Yeah man, Dr. Oloktuo. Yes. A distinguished Nigerian pediatric and fetal surgeon has made groundbreaking contribution to fetal surgery, notably performing complex procedure on fetuses, then returning them safely to the mother's womb. It's a black man do that, So born on January 15, 1967 in Lagos, Nigeria, Dr. Olitoy is the son of Major General retired Olufemi Olitoy and Professor Amatoy Olitoy. His upbringing in a family that value education and service inspired his early ambition to pursue medicine. He attended Lagos University Staff School for his primary education and King's College Lagos for his secondary education. Dr. Olitoy earned his medical degree from Obafemi Awolowo University in Ile-Ife, Nigeria in 1988. He graduated as the valedictorian of his class. He furthered his education in the United States, obtaining a PhD in anatomy from Virginia Commonwealth University in 1996. Pioneering fetal surgery in 2016 while serving as a co-director of Texas Children's Fetal Center. Dr. Olitoy gained international recognition for a remarkable surgical procedure. A fetus was diagnosed with sacrococcygeal teratoma, a life-threatening tumor located on the base of the tailbone. At 23 weeks gestation, Dr. Olitoy and his surgical team performed a complex operation. They partially delivered the fetus, exposing only two lower body to remove the tumor. After successfully excising the mass, they returned the fetus to the mother's womb, allowing the pregnancy to continue. The baby was born healthy at full term. It's a white baby too, So Dr. Olitoy expertise extends beyond this notable surgery. He has held prominent positions, include Surgeon-in-Chief at Nationwide Children's Hospital and the East Thomas Bowle Jr. Chair of Pediatric Surgery at the Ohio State University College of Medicine. His research focuses on fetal wounding, healing in utero, correction of congenital malformations, and early detection of necrotizing enterocolitis in preterm infants. Dr. Olitoy dedication to advancing fetal. His research, Dr. Olitoy dedication to advancing fetal and neonatal surgery has significantly impact medical science. offering hope and improved outcomes for countless families worldwide. For a deeper insight, you see we have posted a video earlier on to show you the his contribution to science, medical science. So when a guy will tell us, boy, oh, black people inferior to white people, lies. Because remember, black people are mother and father of all races. White people, yeah man, remember I say black people dominant, white people genes recessive. And we can tell you more about science. And that's the reason why them hate we. So Elon must have gone, trust me, in time soon come. Time still a go dead, whether or not him want to believe it. So moving on to the next black genius. So although for for centuries they have been telling the world that we are 3/5 of a human being, we are this and we are that, and all kind of things, and they put themselves as superior beings to every other race. But the only thing that they're superior in is violence, evil. That's it. When it comes on to evil, there's no bounds to these people. They are not Christ-like. These are not people who believe in God. The only God they believe in is Satan. Satan is their God. Because all they preach is just wickedness. So you see, that's one of our brother, a black man from Nigeria. As you have seen, most of the inventors, people who have invented things to change life, improve on people's life, apart from Brown, Sister Brown, the lady who invented the CCTV. Apart from her, most of our inventors, contemporary, are from Africa. And most of these people, they have 4, 5, 6 PhD. Because these people believe in hard work. These are not people who come to the United States of America to involve in criminality. They have contributed a lot to the United States of America. But America is saying that we don't appreciate you anymore. We don't want no black people in our military. And who is behind it? Some guys from South Africa. Elon Musk and Peter Thiel and the others. But we know at the end of the day, all of the wicked people them who have done all kind of evil to black people doing slavery and at that time, they're all dead. Dead. Yes. Because that's how the universe works. It doesn't matter how much money you have. At the end of the day, you're a human being. And being a human being, things will fall into place. Because God is the Almighty. No man, no money, no government, no one on this earth come to stay here forever. If you show love, love will follow you and your offsprings. But if you show hate, expect that hate to pass on for generation to come. And when your offsprings and generation to come end up with illnesses that no science can cure, that is just retribution from God. God of its way of repaying the wicked with wickedness. And that's how the universe works. Whether or not you want to believe it, if you have no love, don't expect to get love from others, because you don't know what is love. If you don't love yourself, others can't love you. And that is how the universe works. If you give, you will get. If you don't give, you won't get. When you're taking from the poor and give to the rich, you're not serving mankind. You're just serving your friends. It's just all about evil. So when they say black doctors are not good enough, this doctor has shown them that he's the best. First time this was done, it was done by this black man. I hope you enjoy today's program. Because it's Black History Month. They'll try their best to cancel us, but guess what? We're still here. And they say eventually the world is going to be brown. So it's there. People would be the whiteness that they create, which is no whiteness, will evaporate. As we know that no man can do more than him time. As wicked as Elon Musk is, and his acolytes, the Peter Thiels and the other South Africans, and Donald Trump and the other racists and the Republicans, even the black ones, oh my God, the traitors who betray themselves and this country. None of them not even standing up for the United States of America. All they care about is power. Political power, no dignity, no class, nothing. If you don't respect yourself, others won't respect you. So when Elon Musk is talking, Elon Musk cannot amount to any of the black people them that we have showcased so far. The only thing Elon Musk is good at, deception, dishonesty, and lies. But he'll be exposed. We know that the FBI, the CIA, and those people, they won't allow him to get away with it. This is the United States of America. Last person who challenge these people. We know how the end, how it work out. And we can say to Elon Musk and his friends, your day of reckoning is coming. We know that you don't believe in God, but we do believe in God. And this is 2025. Obviously have a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.